Alright everybody, we're gonna continue our journey through the intervals and take a look at the perfect fifth. Let's again have our A starting point and walk up 7 half steps. We're gonna land on the E. So A to E, ascending, perfect fifth. So perfect fifth describes the interval between two notes, the distance between two notes, where the notes are 7 half steps apart. Let's have descending one. Start on the A, walk down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We land on a D. A to D, descending, perfect fifth. There you go. Go ahead, practice your intervals all over your instrument or also with your voice, of course. And I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you for the next one.